ask me. I'm Native American. And then start jerking it in front of them. Wait, because like no laws exist on native land, does that mean you can does that mean you can have a public orgy? Oh. Then how come they don't show up as different countries in Google Maps? Yeah, but they aren't states, they're people. I don't know, you people are weird. You people. Why is this